Riendekithia ria kuhitukia watho wa maiganania ritegemanitio bunge-ini cia na hau kabere maita kenda rikiguithagio. Ruoyo ari umwe wa mendekithia maria thirikari ya President William Ruto eraneirie kuhingia.
The material failure by the parliament is that they have not enacted a relevant legislative framework to give effect to the principle that not more than 2/3 of the members of the National Assembly and Senate should be of the same gender. The journey to gender parity in leadership in governance has remained subtle. It is now that this puzzle must be unmasked. The sweetener to all of us, I believe, is founded in the political goodwill by Kenya Kwanza administration to unlock the impasse.
Mutongoria wa bururi nierega kwendekithia gutegemanio kwa ndereti no bunge-ini ya kibururi amwe na kubwo kwa wabici ya giturwa kia mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro gatagati ka maundu mangi wabici ya gutara thirikari maundu makonainie na ihoto cia atumia ikionania kirigiriro kia ukinyaniria wa maundu maya.
The reality of the matter is that all parliaments up to now, and now we have to, actually all houses up to now, have never been able to achieve that principle. We come near in Senate, but the National Assembly has been suffering in a big way. And all efforts, like the chair said, from 2012 up to now, have not seen fruit.
Do we have political consensus? That is a question that you and I cannot answer. And this is where I appeal to our parliamentarians. In both divides, if I may call divides, political divides, whether they are UDA, whether they are Azimio, whatever it is, to remember that this is for all of us.
The memo reflects on 4 key areas that proposes an omnibus constitution amendment bill on the following areas. One is the implementation of 2/3 constituency development, Senate oversight, and national government affirmative action fund, the position of the leader of official opposition, and parliamentary oversight of the executive. All of the above are important and should be given the seriousness they deserve. I'm, however, particular with the implementation of the 2/3 gender principle.
Kiumia kihituku thirikari nĩĩrĩga kuongerera kigina kia ngaf ciringi bilioni 1 iguru wa ciringi bilioni 2 iria ambunge atumia mamukagira. Mutaari wa President maundu megie ihoto cia atumia Harriete Chigai akiuga ino no njira imwe ya gutigirira atumia ni mekuria.
Fund will help address the needs of vulnerable members of the society. This announcement comes 1 month after the launch of the Hustler Fund, which I believe so far helped many women and youth-owned enterprises. I urge more women to take up these funds to expand their venture.
Gukiri uguo thirikari cia hau kabere gukorwo itekunyita mbaru riendekithia ria maiganania ni umwe wa maundu maria mahotomirie watho uyu gukinyaniria. Thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza igitugirio ni makinya maria tacukitie gutigirira undu uyu ni wakinyanira.
When it comes to gender issues, it's always underfunded, and justification is always made as to why it cannot be funded. We must remember that women are taxpayers in this country, so we contribute to that. To that wage bill.
So if the Senate got 2 ladies today, it will be compliant. But the National Assembly will require a total of 36 at the moment to be compliant, and therefore it's for the Kenyans to decide. We need both men and women to run this country.
We tend to cover things as is the nature